everyone, it's Shushi again, and today we are going to learn words that you can use over Armenian breakfast. Traditional Armenian breakfast is not much different from other breakfasts around the world, but we might have some dishes that we use more often than you do in any other country. Let's go! Bread, cheese and herbs make the essential part of traditional Armenian breakfast. The regular bread in Armenian is called hats, and this thin layered flat bread is called lavash. Actually, hats is just a big part of Armenian diet in general. I can't think of an Armenian family gathering with like dinner without bread on the table. Cheese in Armenian is paneer. Usually Armenians eat hats with paneer, so we have hatsu paneer. I remember as a kid, hatsu paneer was one of my favorite dishes. I remember my mom would bake bread in this traditional brick oven, and I would go and always eat these fresh hats with paneer. Usually, we also add herbs to our hatsu paneer, and herbs in Armenian is ganachi. Ganachi is usually a group noun, and if you go to Armenian stores, you will see that in one pack they sell many different types of ganachi, and we call this khar ganachi. And these three, hats, paneer, ganachi, make the essential part of our breakfast. Matsun is yogurt. Armenians usually eat matsun with garlic, so we call it sakhtor matsun, garlic matsun. For eggs in Armenian we have dzu or havkit. Dzu, havkit. Havkit is more popular in Western Armenian. Armenians usually eat khashat or yepatzu, so boiled eggs, or zvatzeh, which means omelette. For jam in Eastern Armenian we have muraba, and in Western Armenian we have anush. Again, this muraba or anush make a big part of Armenian traditional breakfast, and Armenian women usually make it on their own, so they don't buy muraba from stores. Salami in Armenian is yershik, and sausage is nerpershik. So yershik, nerpershik. I wouldn't say that this is a big part of traditional Armenian breakfast, but many people eat it. Next, for tomatoes we have lolik, and for cucumber we have varung. Lolik, varung. We have another synonym. I mean, it's not a synonym. Armenians would also use the Russian word pomidor for lolik. So lolik, pomidor, yeah, varung. Usually we make a salad with this. We also add ganachi, so the herbs, and then we add traditional Armenian cheese, and it tastes nice. Let's move on and learn words for drinks. Water is jur. For coffee we have surch, and for tea we have two words, tey and chai. Like some people might say that tey is more formal, but chai, I guess, is the more popular word in Armenian, that is actually a name for tea coming from some regions of China, and is also popular in other Middle Eastern countries like Turkey, Iran, etc. And lastly, for milk we have gat. So let's form sentences. Aravotian, in the morning, yes xamum եմ, I drink ջուր կամ սուրճ, water or coffee. Իսկ իմ քույրիկը, my sister, խմում է gat կամ թեյ, and my sister drinks gat, milk, or tea, թեյ. Alright, there are so many words for you to learn. Let's have a quick summary. We learned hats for bread, paneer for cheese, ganachi for herbs, dzu or havkit for eggs, muraba or anush for jam, lolik, varung for tomatoes and cucumber, yershik and nerpershik for salami and sausages. And for drinks, we had jur for water, gat for milk, surch for coffee, and tey or chai for tea. Oh, I'm sorry, the last thing that I forgot to mention is matsun, sakhtor matsun for garlic yogurt. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the content, and if you are looking for an Armenian teacher, go to my website and book your first free trial lesson with me. Thank you for watching again and hope to see you soon. Goodbye.